Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Arunodayam's Biology. Today we are going to learn about heterotrophic nutrition topic from life processes chapter. Heterotrophic nutrition from life processes chapter. Coming to the definition of heterotrophic nutrition, hetero means others. The organisms which cannot prepare their own food materials will depend on others for food, which cannot prepare their own food material will depends on others for food material. Those organisms are called as heterotrophs, and the type of nutrition shown by them is called heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, each organism is adapted to its environment. The organisms which are present on this earth will depend on their surroundings, will adapt to their surroundings. That means they will adapt to their environmental conditions. The form of nutrition differs. Actually, heterotrophic nutrition has different forms. It depends on four factors. First one is the type of food material. Second is availability of food material. Third, how it is obtained by the organism. And the fourth factor is nutritive operators. So, nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition is in different forms, and the form of nutrition depends on four factors. First is a type of food material. So some organisms will feed only on plants and their products. So those organisms are called as herbivorous animals, isn't it? We know. And some animals, some organisms depends on flesh. Okay, those animals or organisms are called as carnivorous animals, carnivorous organisms. So the form of nutrition depends on the type of food material they eat, whether they are green plants or flesh. Okay, next factor is the form of nutrition depends on the availability of the food material. So what food is available in their surroundings also decides the form of nutrition. Third factor is how it is obtained by the organism, how that food is obtained by the organism. Sometimes the food source may be stationary, just like grass. So some food sources are stationary, they can't move by themselves. For example, grass plants. So some animals will feed on stationary food sources like cow, buffalo, giraffe. All these feed on stationary food sources like grass plants. While some food sources are mobile in nature, that means they can move by themselves. They can run away from their enemies. Examples are deers. So lions, tigers, foxes, all these have to hunt these mobile food sources for food. All these carnivorous animals has to chase these mobile animals for their food material. So how the food is obtained by the organism also decides the form of nutrition here. And fourth factor is nutritive operators. What type of nutritive operators is present in their body, what type of digestive system is present in their body also decides the heterotrophic nutrition forms. So based on all these factors, heterotrophic nutrition is divided into three types: saprophytic nutrition, holozoic nutrition, and parasitic nutrition. First, coming to saprophytic nutrition. So there are some organisms which do not have proper digestive system in their body. They don't have proper digestive system in their body. So these organisms will release some digestive enzymes onto the food material what they obtained. So these digestive enzymes will digest the food material outside the body. Then after, the saprophytes will absorb those digested food materials. That means saprophytic nutrition, the organisms are called as saprophytes, and these saprophytes do not have special digestive system in their body. What they all do is they will release some digestive enzymes onto the food material they obtained. So these digestive enzymes will digest the food material. Later they will these saprophytes will absorb the digested food into their body. Mostly these saprophytes depends on dead and decaying organic matter. Examples are yeast, mushroom, rhizopus. All these are saprophytes which releases digestive enzymes onto the food material, break them outside, and then absorbs the digested food. Okay. Second type is holozoic nutrition. So here in holozoic nutrition, the organisms will take the food as it is and breaks them or digest them inside the body with the help of some digestive enzymes. So in holozoic nutrition, the organism has a well developed digestive system with digestive enzymes. So they will take the food material readily into their mouth and They will break them and digest them inside their body in the digestive system with the help of digestive enzymes. So that type of nutrition is called as holozoic nutrition. Examples: human beings, cat, dog, lion, tiger, all these comes under a holozoic nutrition. Okay. Third one is a parasitic nutrition. So here in parasitic nutrition, the organisms are called as parasites. Here they also do not have proper digestive system to digest the food material. So what they will do is they will depend on the digested food of other organisms. They will depend on the digested food of other organisms. What they will do is they will feed on the digested food of other organisms, sometimes by killing them. Sorry, without killing them. These parasites will depend on the digested food of other organisms without killing them. Sometimes they might cause harm to that organism, while sometimes not. Okay, so that type of nutrition is called as a parasitic nutrition. Examples are cuscuta, lice, tapeworms, etc. So all these organisms will depend on the digested food of other organisms without killing them. Sometimes they cause harm to them, while sometimes they do not cause harm also. Here, cuscuta is a plant actually. You may wonder why plant is a heterotroph here, that too a parasite here. Actually, plants are autotrophs, no, but here cuscuta is the plant which do not have chlorophyll in their body. If chloroplast or chlorophyll is present, it is very little amount which is not at all sufficient to perform photosynthesis. That's why this cuscuta will produce some root like structures called as haustoria and penetrate them into the stems and roots of other plants and obtain food materials from them. So this cuscuta will depends on the food and water from other plants by using some root like structures called as haustoria. Lice, tapeworms, all these are the organisms called as parasites. They will depend on the blood of us. So already our blood has digested food, no? So these lice will feed on that blood. That means they are feeding the digested food which is already present in our blood. So that's how they will take food material. So this type of nutrition is called as parasitic nutrition, and the organisms are called as parasites, and the organisms which serves food to them are called as a host. Okay, that is about heterotrophic nutrition. So today in our video we have learned the definition of heterotrophic nutrition, and we have seen four factors for the form of nutrition, and we have seen three types of nutrition here with examples. So if you have any doubts, please ask me in comment section. I will clarify you. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind.